Hey everyone, let's make a soufflé that puffs up like a balloon. Let's start by separating 2 eggs. Pop the egg whites into the fridge while we work on the yolks. Add sugar to the yolks and give it a quick whisk until slightly thickened. Now sift in flour and cornstarch. It'll get a little thick as you stir. That's totally normal. Just keep going until smooth. Pour the milk and butter into a small pot. Then heat it gently on the stove until the butter melts completely. Now, take about 1/3 of the warm milk and slowly mix it into the egg yolk batter to loosen it up. Once that's combined, pour in the rest of the milk and stir until smooth. Transfer the whole mixture back into the pot and cook it over low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens into a custard-like texture. Once it's nice and creamy, turn off the heat and stir in a splash of vanilla extract. Pour it into a bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and chill it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Now let's prep our ramekins. Coat them with butter. Make sure to brush upward along the sides to help the batter climb straight up. Sprinkle sugar all around the inside. Rotate the ramekin and tap out the extra. Pop them in the fridge while we work on the meringue. Okay, take those chilled egg whites, add a pinch of cream of tartar or lemon juice, and whisk until foamy. Then gradually add sugar in 3 parts. Keep whipping until you reach soft peaks. You want that glossy, slightly bendy peak that holds its shape. Take your chilled yolk base out of the fridge. Give it a quick stir and fold in 1/3 of the meringue to lighten it. Then gently fold in the rest in 2 batches. Always use a lifting motion from bottom to top. Don't stir too hard. Spoon the batter into your ramekins. Try to fill from the center. Then, smooth the tops gently and clean the edges. Bake at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size and thickness of your ramekin. You'll know it's done when it's tall and golden and the edges are no longer wet. Finish with a dusting of powdered sugar and serve right away. It's soft, airy, and hiding a creamy center that just disappears in your mouth. Love fluffy desserts like this? Tap that like button and tell me your favorite soufflé flavor down below. See you next time!